recognition na po ngayon ng aking apo. Sa unang taon ng paghatid sundo ng lola nyo guys. Ito na po yun.
Kindergarten! Sinyang Juan! Palakpakan naman natin sila!
Yan po yung anak ko, mother ng aking apo. Estudyante pa yan guys, kaya ako po yung nag-aalaga. At ayan po ang mga kaklase ng aking apo. Ang cute nila. Yan. Okay lang magkamali sa dance steps kasi mga bata pa naman. Yan, tapos na ang presentation at mag-speech daw po ang aking apo.
Good morning! Today marks the last day of our first year in school. We learned how to be creative and innovative. From singing the ABC, counting 1, 2, 3, and knowing new different knowledges as we prepare for another chapter of our journey. Thank you, Teacher Minerva, for having very long patience to us and for making our kinder year memorable. I also want to acknowledge the effort of every parents and guardians sending us every day. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you.
Siguro hindi ko makakabisado yun. Hindi na ako magaling mag-memorize ngayon. Alright, so very well said. Good job, Brittany.
Awarding na guys. Ayan yung award ng apo ko. Tatawagin na.
Of recognition is presented to Mathematician Award, Ambassador Award, Best in Writing Award, Achiever, Outstanding Student with Honor. Congratulations to Jermaine Lois Maracida. Congratulations!
Yay! Ayan na sila oh. Congratulations apo. Good job. Pagpatuloy mo yan. Ayan po, kung may award yung anak, may award din po yung nanay. Congratulations din, anak. Dapat yung lola ang may award. Joke lang. Ayan, group picture na.
Smile. There you go. Thank you so much.
Ayan, sayawan na uli ng mga kids. Yan. Sa lahat ng mga kabataan, sana'y lumaki kayong matalino, mabait at may takot sa Diyos. Maraming salamat! Salamat po sa panonood guys. God bless!